Last week, I spent 10 hours digging through Amazon niches, looking at categories, looking at demand, looking at competition, looking for the types of opportunities that most people scroll right past. And honestly, a few things stood out that I wasn't expecting. So in this video, I'm going to show you the niches that caught my attention after spending 10 hours going down the Amazon rabbit hole. Because one of the hardest parts about KDP isn't actually the publishing, it's deciding what to publish. There are thousands of niches, thousands of book ideas, thousands of directions that you could go. And if you're anything like most people, that can feel overwhelming. I've been there myself. You spend more time looking for ideas than actually creating books. That's why I make videos like this. Not because I'm trying to give you a list of random niches, but because I know how valuable it is when someone does the research and points you towards things worth looking at. My goal has always been to help you become more self-sufficient when it comes to building your own online income streams. And sometimes that starts with simply knowing where to focus your attention. Now, I'm not saying every niche on today's list is perfect, and I'm definitely not saying that you should blindly copy what you see, but I do think a few of these are worth a closer look. Some surprised me, some were hiding in plain sight, and one in particular made me stop and take a second look. So let's go through the list. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche that stood out to me is called the Mexican Treats coloring book, Bold and Easy. Now, the reason this stood out to me is because this is a bold and easy type of coloring book, but it's centered around Mexican treats. And this really surprised me because look at total results, very, very low. So not really a lot of books in this space. And if you look at the niche score provided by Titans QuickView, it's going to give you a score that might turn you off because niche score is 40, Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 1, opportunity is a 4. But if you actually do some digging around, you're going to see the first book right here ranked at 33,000. Royalties estimated $400 to over $700 per month. I would say that's actually pretty good. Look at this one right here. Has a little bit higher BSR, but because it's priced a little bit higher at $9.99 compared to this one at $7.99, this one is making an estimated $700 to over $1,000 per month. Once again, a Mexican Treats coloring book. You go down some more. Here's another one making a few sales per month. That's good to see. And then another one right here, couple $100 per month. And another one right here, a couple $100 per month. So as you can see, there's definitely demand in this niche and not a lot of books to compete with. If we check out an example, you're going to notice that it is just a bold and easy type of coloring book centered around Mexican treats. This one has a 4.9 out of 5. 86% is a 5-star. So whatever the interiors look like, this is going to be a book worth looking at and possibly even modeling your own book after. Now, price $9.99, that's typically the price that I see, especially for bold and easy type of coloring books. And this one, 40 illustrations. So not very long, overall 86 pages. So a very simple book. Not too complicated, and I've shown you many times before how to use AI to create coloring books that you could actually apply to this very niche. So this one is an image of churros, very simple, and some more examples here. As you can see, these are just Mexican treats. So if you're able to build some prompts, this would be a simple type of book to create. Now, the next niche that stood out to me is called the Dot Marker Activity Book. Now, I've known this niche for quite a long time, yet the results still seem to be not too competitive, right? 1,111 total results. If you look at the average bestsellers rank, this is on the first page for these books, 164,000. So right off the bat, you know these books are high performers. And then we can see right here from Titans QuickView, niche score of 81. That's really high. And Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, and we have an opportunity score of 9. Now looking through these books, you have a bunch of independently published books right here. So this basically means that it's a KDP book. And looking at the royalties estimated, look at this, over $600 per month, over $400 per month, $400 per month, This one's over $4,000 per month. And if you know anything about dot markers activity books, they're very, very simple to create. This one right here, over $7,000 per month, $700 per month. And as you can see, very high performers for these types of books. This one right here, over $600 per month, dot markers activity book for girls. So if we actually take a look at this book, this one is directed for toddlers, 1 to 3, preschoolers, 2 to 5, has cute unicorns, mermaids, princess, fairy, and ballerina designs. This book priced at $9.99, not very long at all, 52 dot marker coloring pages and 110 pages overall. And that is basically because for each coloring page, there's a blank page on the back side, which is included as a page in the book. Now you can see just how simple this is. So here is an image here. You can literally have AI create your images, and then you just put these circles right here. And the only thing that you really need to focus on is making sure the circles aren't too small or aren't too big, and they're just the right size for these dot markers. But as you can see, not too difficult at all. This can be created manually, or you can have a simple tool help you create these types of coloring pages. But as you can see, this type of book can make hundreds of dollars per month, not especially complicated. So here's a simple tool that I use to create dot marker pages. Now you don't need this tool, but if you want to kind of streamline the process, you can definitely check this out. I'll put the link to this down below. But essentially this one, you can upload images. So these are AI images right here that I uploaded, and it kind of just already fit in the circles where it thinks it can go. But you can go ahead and reposition all of the circles. And then you can also delete circles like that. You can add circles where you want. You want to put it on the ears. You could also change the shape of these if you wanted to kind of change it up there. And one thing that you can do is you can increase the thickness of these dot marker circles. And just like the example, we can kind of do this, right? And make the stroke width even more. Let's do 4. And then we can kind of just place them in places just like this. Doesn't really have to stick within the lines. You kind of just put them where you think it would look nice. And just a very easy tool to work with. But here's an A, very easy. And you can even change the font to some other things here. As you can see, it can do letters, it can do numbers. Now the next niche that stood out to me is the vision board book. Now this one has a little bit more results. You could definitely niche this down and get lower results. But as a broad search, 2,000 is actually not that bad. You can see the average bestsellers rank 114,000. So these are very high performing books. Niche scores an 81, Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now these types of books do very, very well at the beginning of the year for New Year's resolutions. People love to create vision boards, which is basically where you cut out images and quotes and things that you want to accomplish for the year. You put it on a poster board, and this is where a book like yours comes into play because they need clip art for these posters and these vision boards. So as you can see right here, independently published, this one over $700 per month, this one over $800 per month. They're both different. So this one is positive affirmations, and then this one right here is money and business. You can even do ones that are directed strictly for women. So here's one right here, Lady Boss 2026. And honestly, what you can do with this is every new year, you can actually change the cover here to make it 2027, 2028, and kind of keep it relevant. And that would allow you to keep your ranking history. Now this one over $4,000 per month from a simple clip art book. And here's some more examples, over $1,600 per month on this one. And this one right here, over $2,000 per month. So if we look at this one right here, 2026 Vision Board Clip Art Book, 600 plus powerful pictures, quotes, words, and affirmations to create dream boards for women and men. Now this book, because it is going to be full color, as you can see in the sample, they priced it at $19.99. Now, even at $19.99, the royalties on this type of book is going to be really, really high. And that's just the type of book it is. People are willing to pay $20 for basically a clip art book. And this is not even that long, 75 pages. Now the clip art book is very, very simple. Now you can have AI create all of the images for you, which would be a lot safer. There are ways to use royalty-free images and clip art and be able to put it in this type of book. But because AI has gotten so powerful, we could actually use AI to create a vision board book. If you want me to do this, you want to see me create a vision board book using purely AI, just let me know in the comments down below. Now, the next niche that stood out to me has got to be the monochrome coloring book. Now, this is the new type of coloring book in town. This is kind of like the new bold and easy type of coloring book. Still very low competition, under 1,000, but the average bestsellers rank very, very low here, 213,000. Niche score very high, 79, and then demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now, the reason why these books are getting super popular these days is because these books are actually a little bit harder to create, but they're actually simple in concept. It's basically a black and white book, as you can see with the covers here. This one right here, over $2,600 per month in estimated royalties. This one over $1,400 per month. And the thing I noticed with this niche is you can really create a bunch of sub niches here. This one is botanicals. This one is monochrome escapes. You have one right here, cozy moments, more landscapes. This one, a nature one. This one, magical homes. It's still selling. This one, US national parks, almost $800 per month. This one, gothic and botanical, over $2,600 per month. This one, swear word, over $1,100 per month. Creepy kawaii, $1,000 per month. Monochrome summer, $500 per month. Animals, $400 per month. There's a lot of opportunity here for this niche, and you can really experiment with different types of sub niches, and you never know, you might just get one of these bestseller badges. Now, if we take a look at this one called Cozy Friends, 30-day royalties over $600 per month, estimated now 42,000 BSR. This one was just published this year, and you can see it's already doing very, very well. 14 reviews or ratings, 4.5 out of 5. And typically with this book, $9.99 is the price point that I see. 40 illustrations, kind of the standard now for coloring books. And when we look inside, well, can't really see anything in the sample, but on the back cover, you can kind of see right here on the bottom is what the customer gets to color. And then on the top is the finished image. Now, if they have A+ content, maybe we can see what it actually looks like. And there it is. So on the left-hand side here, you see a bunch of X's. Now, anywhere there's an X is basically where the customer will color in black. They leave everything unmarked white, and they're gonna get an image just like this. A very fun type of coloring book. Not a super new concept, but this concept is kind of becoming popular now. And before, this used to be very hard to create manually, but now because of AI, you can actually create these pretty easily. And that's what I use prompts for. And this specific prompt list right here, where you can see all of these prompts, for example, this one called Lavender Field at Twilight. If I just copied these prompts and put them into AI, well, it's gonna spit out exactly the monochrome coloring page that I need. As you can see with ChatGPT, it can create this type of image. So this is the final image. You can use this for A+ content. You can use this for the covers. Now, what it actually looks like is right here. And as you can see, the dots right here, very easy for the customer to understand, oh, I need to color this in, leave everything that doesn't have dots white. And so AI can now create these types of coloring pages with just some simple prompts. So if you actually want to try out these prompts for yourself, you can find the link to this down below. Now, the next niche that stood out to me has got to be the Bible verse coloring book for kids. Now, the reason this stood out is because you would think niches that centered around religion, Bible would be very, very popular. But this one, total results 979. And that is basically because it's a little bit harder to create these types of coloring books because people usually have trouble creating scenes for different Bible verses. So a lot of publishers kind of stay away from this niche, but you can see with the niche score 72, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9, and the average bestsellers rank right here in the 200,000. So these books sell a lot of copies per month. You have this one right here, independently published, over $200 per month in estimated royalties. Book of Genesis, couple dollars per month. And same with this one right here, Bible verse coloring book, couple dollars per month. This one over $500 per month. This one as well, $400 per month. And then this one right here, God Made Me Special, over $1,700 per month. And this one right here, Bible verse coloring book for kids, ages 4 to 8, $279 per month. This one, Bible verse coloring book for kids, $400 per month. So if we check out this book, this one has 50 illustrations. Now paperback is $9.99, and they also created a hardcover version, very easy to do inside of KDP. Here is the Bible verse and then a simple image here. You can easily create these with AI. And the most important thing is actually just to make sure the Bible verse is accurate. And if you're creating a scene, that scene is also as accurate as it can be. Now here's another Bible verse coloring book. This one is centered towards boys, and royalties almost $400 per month. Now this was just released this year. If we take a look at the sample, this one has a little bit more information on the bleed through page, or the blank page, which is behind the actual coloring page. The verse is right here, and then basically the meaning of the verse. And then here is the actual coloring page. And as you can see, this one definitely looks like it could have been created with AI. We look at the next picture here, but it looks very, very good. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. And I think it is a good way to experiment, because this is very, very nice. It looks more of like a comic book, but with Bible verses. Now you can also use prompts to create these Bible verse coloring books. As you can see right here, a bunch of prompts right here: 10 Commandments, Fruits of the Spirit, Armor of God, Creation Story, Noah's Ark, David and Goliath. Just a lot of prompts here that you can try out. These ones work really well with ChatGPT. And here are some of the results that it can do. So as you can see, here is the Bible verse. Here is the scene. Here's another one. He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. So this is the power of AI. So you might as well just use it, because AI is here to stay. But if we can use it competently, we can use it responsibly, we can create these types of coloring books that really have a great effect and really have a great result. And so if you want to try out these prompts, you want to create this Bible coloring book, and you want to get a little bit of a head start on how to do this, you can check out this prompt list. I'll leave a link to that down below. So hopefully this video gave you a few new ideas to explore, because sometimes the biggest breakthrough isn't finding a secret niche, it's finding a niche that was sitting right in front of you the entire time. Now, if you want to check out the resources that I mentioned throughout this video, you're going to find those links down below in the description. And if you want help learning the full Amazon KDP process step by step, make sure to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It'll walk you through the entire publishing process from start to finish, and it's linked below as well. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.